Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your product offers into scroll-stopping video ads using RenderLion's offer to video generator. Step 1, log in or sign up to RenderLion. Then head to the offer to video generator page. You can either click convert offers to video ads or just hit content to video in the top menu, like I did. Now comes the fun part, adding your offer details and product photos. For this demo, I dropped in a text offer for a pair of Oakley & Coder sunglasses, matte black with Prism Road lens, and yep, I actually generated the offer text using ChatGPT. Gotta love AI teamwork. I made sure to include the old price, the new discounted price, key features like lightweight, sport-optimized fit, and iconic Oakley performance. Alongside the text, I uploaded 4 slick product shots, just like you see in my example. Once your content is locked and loaded, just click Generate and let the magic begin. In under a minute, RenderLion's AI will analyze your offer and automatically create slides, price and discount display, voiceover, and even a call to action, all hands-free, all lightning fast. Wow, looks like the results are already in. That was fast and awesome. Now let's fine-tune things a bit. I clicked on the Style button to show you how to apply a saved brand profile. This is super handy if you want all your video ads to follow the same look. Think colors, fonts, and logo on point with your brand. For this demo though, I went with a random style just to spice things up. Next, I switched up the background music. I picked Dance and Electronic to give my ad a fun, high-energy vibe, but feel free to let the AI pick the soundtrack that fits your video best. Time to tweak the content, just click on the Edit Content button. I'm removing the background from my Oakley product photos to make the visuals pop more. Background-free images equal sign cleaner design and better conversion rates. I also changed the text-to-speech voice. You can customize the script if you want, but I actually loved what the AI came up with, so I left it as is. And you're not limited to just that. You can tweak the price, update the discount message, change the call to action, and even edit what appears on each slide. Once you're done reviewing and making your changes, don't forget to hit Update. Everything will instantly reflect in your live preview, like you see here. Oh, and one more thing. RenderLion auto-generates your video ad in 3 formats: square, portrait, and landscape, so you're covered no matter where you want to post. For this tutorial, I'm keeping it simple and setting the default preview to landscape, just like this. Now let's unleash the real power of RenderLion's AI video generator. Go ahead and click the New Instant Hunt button, and boom! Within seconds, RenderLion creates a fresh set of 3 unique video ads based on the offer you submitted. Scroll through the previews, and when one catches your eye, just hit Save. It'll be waiting for you in your My Videos section anytime you need it. Keep hitting that New Instant Hunt button as many times as you want. Every click generates something completely new, like spinning a creative slot machine loaded with billions of motion effects. Hover over any preview to see the animation in action. It's all real-time magic. For me, I'm going to stop right here. This one with the green background animation, it just clicks with me. So I'm going with it. Let's click and see what's next. Alright, let's bring this preview to life. I hit the Render to Download button to generate a high-quality video ad, complete with music and voiceover. Then, I switched to Portrait and Square modes and did the same, just to make sure I've got my ad ready for any platform. Every format is just one click away. The rendering process might take a couple of minutes depending on the video's length and effects, but trust me, the final result is so worth it. You'll have a professional-grade video ad tailored for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or wherever your audience lives. And here's a little bonus. Each rendered video comes with automatically generated thumbnails for all formats. You can use them as product banners on your site, in newsletters, or social media posts. Total content game changer. And that's the magic of RenderLion's offer to video generator. Hope you loved this walkthrough. Ready to turn your shop offers into eye-catching animated content? Head over to RenderLion.com and start creating video ads at lightning speed. Let your brand roar with RenderLion.